The automated centralized system of revenue collection will be adopted in all the 27 local government areas of the state. Governor Badar Abubakar, while addressing revenue officers at a 4-day training program for the takeoff of the scheme, says automated system will help block leakages and boost government's revenue base. This is in addition to increasing people's confidence that revenues so collected will be remitted to government. Represented by the State Commissioner of Finance Alhaji Umar Namadi, the governor says steps have been taken to raise people's consciousness about the new revenue collection system to ensure success.
Economic activity in Jigawa State is very, very low. The entire economy in Jigawa State is 100% government-derived economy. And for economy to be solely government-derived, certainly for you, the tax base will therefore non-existent.
Stakeholders describe the development as a new dawn in the state's march to economic prosperity.
And these points of sale is consuming two types of transactions: the cash transactions and the non-cash transactions.
We're here to train you people, enhance you, and then once you reach the level that we know that you can handle this yourselves, it will be time for us to move out. Like any proud parent would do to his child.
Ambassador Law Manir, explaining the digital use of the iPad before presenting and now formally presenting the iPad with excellence.
They said the new initiative will surely take Jigawa out of the list of economically backward states in the country. From Dutse, Ibrahim Sani, NTA News.